Hi everyone, I've got another sentence, this one from one of my very diligent students who said this in class. Let's take a look. Every night I hear an English podcast. Wow, very diligent. But there's a problem with this sentence, and the problem is this word here, hear. Every night I hear an English podcast. Let's take a look at hear. Hear is used for the action of sound going into your ears, right? It's an event. It's a natural thing. The sound just goes in, all right? And we can use it in sentences like, did you hear the thunder last night? And also we use it for abilities. Can. I can hear? Yes. I cannot hear, all right? So here you can see the second example. I can hear my neighbor's loud music. Oh, so loud. I can't hear you. Can you speak louder? So, if there's a problem with hear, what word can we use? Well, let's take a look at listen. Listen is used for the conscious action of using your ears to perceive sound, right? So when you want information to go into your mind, then we use listen to focus your attention and get the information, all right? So let's take a look at some examples using the word listen. You must listen to your teacher if you want to learn. Yes, you need to focus, right? Focus. I enjoy listening to gossip. Oh, who did what? To who? Right? Listen to this music. It's great. You want person to focus on the music, right? However, this sentence, every night I listen an English podcast, it still has a problem. Now the problem is because of the fact we're using an object here, an English podcast. To connect the object to the verb here, listen, we need a preposition. Let's look at a couple of examples. We've got be quiet, listen, and listen to me. Now the difference here between listen and listen to me is that the first one has no object, right? It is an imperative. The second sentence here has the word me. Me is the object of the sentence, so we connect it with to. Listen to me. Let's look at a couple of examples here. We have, I want to listen to the radio, right? The radio is the object of this sentence, and so we use to. Can I come and listen to your speech tonight? This is a talk, right? Somebody's giving a speech or a talk, and you want to listen to that. Concentrate on that. Right? Now the sentence, every night I hear an English podcast, no, that's not right. It should be every night I listen to an English podcast. That's the correct sentence. Okay, that's all for today. I'll talk to you in the next video. See you then.